Hi, estate owners! I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla. And for today's touring, we are here at Southwood City, Binyan, Laguna. And I'm going to show you our new project here. The name of this condo is Tulip Gardens. And this is just near and accessible to SLEX. And if you're looking for a peaceful condo yet accessible to Metro Manila, this condo is perfect for you. And now we are here at the 21st floor of Tulip Gardens, and we have two high-speed elevator here. And as you can see here at Tulip Gardens, this is just near at the golf course. And by the way, guys, Southwood City is 561 hectares. So, marami pang mga future development dito sa area. So now we are here at the actual one-bedroom unit here at Tulip Gardens. And what I like about this unit, this is just near fire exit. And by the way, guys, Tulip Gardens has 22 floors. We are here at the 20th floor. Upon entering to your unit, we have here your kitchen area. So over here, you can put your induction cooker. Meron na rin tayong nakaabang para sa ating exhaust. This is the provision for your dining table. Approximate is 4 seaters. On this side is the toilet and bath. And over here is your bedroom area. So here in your bedroom area, it can fit a queen size bed. Over here, you can put a small table. So imagine pagising mo sa umaga, ito yung makikita mong view in the morning. Sobrang peaceful yet accessible pa rin here at Metro Manila. By the way, you can put a cabinets here. Right here is the general main switch, and you can put your shoe rack here. Right here is the provision for your television. You can put your sofa here and a small table. This is the balcony. Meron rin tayong provision for your aircon right here. Taas din yung ceiling niya. Ang kagandahan din dito sa area na to is just walking distance to Southwoods Mall, bus station if you're going to Lucena or in BGC. And if you're going to Metro Manila, if you have a private car, it's just around approximate around 30 minutes. Sila si Mega World na pioneer ng township development. So, you can expect na marami pang development na gagawin dito sa Southwood City. If you're looking for investment or just a personal use na unit, this location is perfect for you guys. And if you're looking also for studio unit, we still have available studio units here, and we offer rent-to-own terms. And just message me on the details shown on your screen. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more condo tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla. See you on my next vlog. Bye!